Statistics, Modeling, and Finance, Chapter 4, Inferential Statistics, page 21, Coefficient of Determination.
Coefficient of determination. The coefficient of determination is defined as a statistic indicating the proportion of the total variance in the dependent variable accounted for by the independent variable in a simple linear regression equation. One independent variable, also identified as R-squared in many statistics software programs. The coefficient of determination is represented by the symbol R2 pronounced R squared. R2 is always between 0% and 100%. An R2 of 1.00 would mean that 100% of the total variance in the dependent variable is explained by the independent variable. In the real world, this never happens. That would mean that the square footage of a house is the sole determinant of value. The higher the R2, the better. It measures how well the regression line fits the data. If R2 is equal to 0.70, that means that 70% of the variation is explained by that variable. The remaining variation is always 1 R2. In this case, it would be 1.30 or 30%. In Excel, once you enter the data and have it display a trend line, you can also have it display the R2 coefficient. See below, in the top right corner. In this case, because I made up the numbers to form a pretty pattern, the R2 is 0.8857 or 88%. That is very high. End of page. Linear regression in action. There is a dynamic website that illustrates how linear regression works. It is produced by the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics. You can log on and play around. You click with your mouse to create dots in a chart. Put in 4 or 5 dots, and then click the button that says Show Line. A trend line will appear. Then add more dots, and see how the line changes each time. The red line is calculated by the A plus BX formula. Note that the left end of the line shows the y-intercept. The slope of the line is dictated by the bx terms calculated each time. Also watch the information in the top left corner. As you insert more data points, that information keeps changing. It will tell you how many observations there are, show the recalculated formula for the regression line, and show the R. Please note that this program calculates R as do some others. In this case, it is 0.58. You have to square this number, 0.58x 0.58, to arrive at an R2 of 0.34. That is a relatively low correlation, as it explains only 34% of the variance. Click here to go to the site, and see for yourself. It's fun and very easy to do. https://www.nctm.org/classroom-resources/illuminations/interactive/line-of-best-fit/